waiting too long to file. In the stages of a startup, you typically have the ideation stage, then you do your customer discovery, then you build your minimum viable product, and then you test them on the customer, and then you iterate the process. An analogous process to this is actually like Kickstarter. So what happened is in Kickstarter, you describe your idea, you raise your funding, and if the funding fails, that means your idea is not good enough. The problem with Kickstarter is often many people put full details of their ideas on the internet. And guess what? A company in a low cost production area can just simply sit there and watch when the idea is described, and if there's enough buyers to launch the project, then they know that the company's already done the market research, and they simply just do the design in a faster, quicker, they call it a fast copier company strategy. Right. And when you do that, you can just run somebody else's market test and you can just produce the original company. And so that's a problem if you use the Kickstarter approach without IP protection. So a much better way is before you talk to the customer, you have a provisional application that protects your idea. And then once you've gone through product validation and you start the product design, at that stage, you might want to consider a second patent application to cover particular implementation before you release it to people for testing, right? And you do several of these iterations of provisional until you got through a full testing period with the customers and you're ready to launch. Take all of those provisional applications and roll them into a non-provisional patent application, and you've gotten the optimum protection. People can't just simply copy your ideas as you go along.